I have a camera dash cam by Sew Peunery. That is Sew, S-E-W, Peunery, P-E-U-N-R-Y. Now, first and foremost, here I have the camera itself. It's very lightweight with a plastic shell, so it can withstand any wear or tear that comes its way. Then you also have the buttons here with OK, up and down, and menu. An additional camera here on the side that is connected with an extremely long cord. Here you can just see it folded up here that you can just plug in. Here is a suction cup attachment that you will just slide onto the camera here, like so. Just like that.